and welcome back to my channel. As you know, castor oil is one of the amazing oils in the world. It is the only oil that it has the ability to penetrate deepest into the skin. So you can imagine such an oil with the combination of DMSO, what it could do for the skin and for the body. The combination of castor oil and DMSO can create one of the most powerful and incredible penetration into deep layers and tissues in the body. So you can combine DMSO with castor oil as a pack, as a wrap for your body, as detoxifying factor for different parts of your body. So you can use DMSO with castor oil, combining and detoxify your body for better and faster results. You can use it as a castor oil DMSO pack for your different parts of the body. But for this, you need to use pure castor oil. It has to be Hexane-Free, it has to be cold pressed, and best is that it should be organic. The golden castor oil is perfect for this procedure, and also DMSO, it has to be Pharma grade, very pure, 99.9% pure. And also I have to tell you again, if you are under treatment, if you are going through any medical procedure, if you are on medication, you should always consult with your doctor and healthcare professional before going ahead and using and incorporating DMSO in your lifestyle. This method is not recommended for pregnant women, breastfeeding women, and children. If you are going to use castor oil as a pack with DMSO, you no longer need to heat and warm up your castor oil, but you can put the hot water bottle over the pack that you're using in different parts of body. It's fine. And also please remember, whenever you're using castor oil and DMSO pack on your body, you need to rehydrate yourself. You need to drink more water, plenty of water, to stay hydrated. And please remember, different bodies, they respond differently to castor oil and DMSO, depending your lifestyle, your diet, how much toxic it's in your body, which I spoke about it in my previous videos. So do not expect the same results for everyone. So this procedure is excellent if you are suffering from rheumatic condition and pain, if you're suffering from a stiffness, if you've got scar tissues over your body, or if you simply want to detoxify your body. It's really good for joint pain and injuries. And one more thing that I forgot, if you are a woman and you are on your cycle, it's better not to use it during your cycle. So let's get into it and to see how prepare the castor oil and DMSO pack for different parts of the body. First of all, you have to have the DMSO, of course, and castor oil. I will link down these two products, which they are amazing. You can go and purchase from the country of your residence and you can use it. And also you will need distilled water for this procedure, because remember I told you before as well, in order to use DMSO on your body, on your skin, you need to dilute it with distilled water, not any other water. So you need to have that as well. And there are different percentages with the different procedures, which we are going to come to it. Okay, first we want to prepare our DMSO solution before applying the castor oil in that area of the body. So you need to prepare 80% to 90% dilution of DMSO. What does it mean? It means you need to add 80% of the amount of DMSO to 20% amount of distilled water. For example, if you are preparing 100 ml of dilution of DMSO, you have to use 80 ml DMSO and 20 ml distilled water. or for a 90% you're gonna use 90 ml of DMSO and 10 ml of distilled water. Well, this is pretty high dilution to put over the skin. Some people, they might experience irritation over the skin if they are using this high percentage. If you see the skin is irritated and it happens, you can go ahead and reduce the dilution to 50%. It means 50 ml DMSO and 50 ml distilled water. Once you prepared your dilution of DMSO, go ahead and pour a little amount of castor oil in the palm of your hand and start massaging over the area, and keep massaging until you feel that there is a little bit of absorption happening in that area. Once that happens, go ahead and pour the DMSO over the palm of your hand and tap on that area over the castor oil and massage it. Once you did that, you can go ahead and use a cotton fabric and wrap around the area and keep it for 20 to 30 minutes. After 20 or 30 minutes, you can wash off that area using water and baking soda. Basically, pour 1 teaspoon of baking soda in half a cup of water and just wash that area. You can repeat this process until you start noticing the results. You might feel more pain once you start this method, but eventually it will get better and it will heal. So this is the whole process of DMSO and castor oil combination, which is the most powerful, most penetrated combination of the oil. And also I have a full playlist of DMSO which you can click and you can watch. I just leave the link at the description box of the video and here as well. Other links of the castor oil and DMSO are in the description box of the video and the first comment. Until the next video, take care.